Hello internet, how's it going everyone? How you guys feeling? I'm not sure if anyone is watching right now, but it is what it is. Say hi in the chat if you're still here. Or I should say, if you're here now. Why my head is not perfectly aligned? Okay, should be sounds like that. Okay, that looks good. How's it going, people? Hello, Soenok Hacker. Hello, welcome to my stream. Okay, today I have some plans, but we'll just YOLO it. We'll just see if there will be any interesting stuff that we will work on, and just just do random stuff basically. But yeah, I have some ideas. Okay, checking out the stream, it's looking good. Okay, I think I will just jump right into it because I titled this stream as maintenance, and maintenance for me is like packaging, replying to issues, reviewing PRs, which are mostly Rust, don't worry. So I will be doing those things, and also if you have any ideas, or if you want to ask any questions, I will just yeah, reply to those. And I don't know, I'm just freestyling at this point. It's not like heavily scheduled or anything, so you're just basically watching me doing stuff, like doing maintenance work. I hope it will be fun, but let's see. I actually want to wait a bit in case more people will tune in. I didn't announce the stream today. I just posted it on my socials, but I didn't announce it like earlier. So I'm not expecting a lot of people to tune in, but either way, it's just fun to hang out, even though there are like 2 or 3 people. Feel free to troll the stream, by the way. I don't really care. I like memes and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna check LinkedIn for a second. Everyone is probably just sleeping at this hour at some countries or some places, I don't know. But yeah, okay, let's just jump right into it, shall we? So first thing that I'm gonna do today, not this, I'm gonna delete it. I don't want to kill Rust Analyzer. I like Rust Analyzer. Okay, so as you might know, I maintain packages for Arch Linux, and I'm also running Arch Linux, as you can see from this very cool no-fetch output. Yeah, I need to maybe try out new terminals this week. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna update some packages. Sounds very boring, but yeah, that's just part of the job. So I have this NV checker thing set up, which checks the new versions of the packages. I can basically run this command to see what's new, and we compare. So this will just output what's new. There's this one actually pretty interesting package that I maintain. It's called RT. If you go to GitLab, oops, wrong tab. It's an implementation of Tor actually. I see that they have a new version, but NVChecker actually not showing the correct package. I'm not sure why. So let's see what they did. This is RT 1.2.7 and currently let me actually, okay, currently I think we have 1.2.6 in the repos. Yeah, so this is the current version and they released a new version. I'm not sure if you like the light theme, so I'm just gonna enable this. Okay, cool. This should be better. I just lost the live streaming tab. Hold on, I'm gonna refresh it. It just died on me after I switched to dark theme. I guess it doesn't like dark theme. Hold on. I want to see the chat in case anyone says something. Okay, we are back. Now, RT 1.2.7 continues delivering on Onion service client authorization. Okay, breaking changes. We have a couple of breaking changes. This is not really big. Yeah, these are just internal stuff. RPC development. Okay. Interesting. Add basic configuration and builder. Okay. Yeah, this project has actually many crates in it. If you go to their repo, which is on Tor project's GitLab, you will see that they have like a lot of crates actually. Like Jesus, look at this. And yeah, they just add new crates based on the features they want to add to this project. So yeah, this basically adds a new crate. Internet cleaning up and refactoring. Okay. Onion service development, minor features, testing. Okay. Yeah, these are just all like seem like they all seem like the maintenance stuff. So, and also a bit of internal development going on there, which is fine. I guess I'll just build it and see it for myself. I have this. Oh, okay, this is not right. 1.2, 1.27, and then I will just build this package. Okay, this one is good. This one is good to go. If it builds, then I'm gonna test it out and then push it to repos. At this point, I'm just updating the package version variable and also updating the checksums. So pretty basic stuff, and I'm just gonna build it now. Okay, what's next? What's on our list? This Bluetooth scan thing, I already updated this today, so I'm just gonna remove it from the list. Cargo LLVM coverage package, okay. Cargo LLVM coverage, let's see what they have changed. Just a patch release, so it should be fine, I guess. I need to update the cargo log file for the package because they don't ship cargo log. There's an issue for it, but they don't really add. They don't want to add cargo log, so I just added the cargo lock to the package manually. So what they did here is actually add some option to clean subcommand, and they just now respect some config option. Okay. Disable quick install fallback. That's interesting. I'm not sure if it's related to cargo quick install. Probably it is. Quick install fallback. Okay, what is this? Disabled strategies, quick install. Okay, should be fine, I guess. I'm not really sure if it's related to quick install, cargo quick install. I'm just gonna make a quick quick search here. Quick install. What is this? Cargo next test. Oh, not related. Commits. Yeah, I'm not really sure because there is a cargo quick install command, which is another project, but I am not sure if that is related to this package. Probably it is because they are under. No, they are not. Well, anyways, I guess should be fine. Just gonna test it out anyways. Okay, this is built. I'm just gonna install it now. RT is still building. And best way to test this out is actually go to some project and run it, I guess. Well, it's just a cargo LLVM conf. Cargo LLVM conf. It's just a point release, so oops, sorry. Okay, just a point release, so it shouldn't have much stuff changing in this release, but it's open source, so you never know. Sometimes open source maintainers just create a point release, but in fact it has so many stuff in it that it should be like a major release. But yeah, it is what it is, man. Okay, I can probably push this to the repos because it's just gonna work, I feel like. Okay, in the meantime, I will go and build another package. We have monolith, kind of interesting one. If I okay, it's let's see what they have done. HTTP refer header now gets sent along with network request and improved parsing of source set HTML element attribute. And OpenSSL is now linked statically. That might be an issue. Okay, let's see what we have there. I'm not sure how they statically link it. It should be a feature flag, no? Come on, open SSL. Okay, this is wandered. It's not really possible to make it non-wandered because this is not a feature flag now. Well, we might need to contribute something to that. Okay, this is working fine. The tests have failed because I should have used the test threads. argument there. I'm not sure if you see it, but yeah, this will work fine. So I'm just gonna actually just push it because everything looked pretty good. Okay, RT is also built now. I cannot really test it right now because this will probably, wait, not correct. What did I do wrong? Why does it still say, oh, I installed the wrong package. Okay, it should be fine. So I don't want to test it right now because it's just doing some stuff like network stuff mainly. So it might really affect my live stream here. So I'm not gonna test it right now and not gonna push it right now, but I'm just gonna throw it to a tab for working on it later. Updated the cargo LLVM call. Okay, we dropped some frames, but we should be back now. Something happened there, but yeah, we're back. Okay, network issues, not related to Tor, but some network issues actually happened there. Okay, monolith it's probably gonna build. Wait, actually, I'm curious if this has a dependency on OpenSSL. Yeah, it has a dependency. So I'm not sure what I will do here. I want to check out the other packages that I maintain because I remember there was at least like a couple of packages that used either vendored OpenSSL or static. No, either vendored one or the non-vendored OpenSSL. So yeah, so for example, for this package, we don't vendor OpenSSL. Also, we usually avoid vendoring because vendoring means that you will pull in the source and build it from there, but we don't want to do that. We have packages for everything, so we want to use the existing packages instead of pulling something from somewhere and just building that and incorporating that thing into that package. We have, like I said, we want to package everything and have like a package ecosystem instead of building something and just using that. So we should probably avoid. Okay, something happened. Yeah, this is due to vendoring. It basically says that this link time optimizations failed because you try to build some C stuff, and when you try to build some C stuff with the default settings, for example, without what was it? That was an issue. I cannot remember right now. But this issue actually about that. So when you build things with the default profile of cargo, which enables the link time optimizations, this will fail because you need to use another compiler, such as, what was the other one? Yeah, clang, such as clang. So you need to use like clang to enable link time optimizations, because this doesn't play out well with the packaging ecosystem. So you get like this crazy ass errors if you try to build something with link time optimizations, but that thing is using like C libraries. So when you try to compile C, it will just fuck up everything. So we want to avoid this. We don't want to build OpenSSL. We don't want to vendor it. So I'm just gonna actually try to use the same flag that I used for this package, which is void, OpenSSL no vendor. So maybe this will work. I'm not very sure if this will work. I didn't use this before, so let's just try it at least. Let's just see if this will work. Okay. Building this again. In the meantime, let me check if we have any notifications. I was not expecting to do a lot of packaging in this stream. It was supposed to be mostly Rust, but I guess anyways. I'll go back to looking at issues or PRs very soon. Okay, this build, this is now built very successfully. It looks like this flag actually worked. So we didn't vendor OpenSSL. We just used the package for it and then built it, and everything is looking seemingly good. I'm gonna install this package. So this package is actually pretty interesting. This is for downloading web pages as a single HTML file. Okay, monolith. I'm just gonna push it. But a good thing that we can do here is actually contribute this to contribute this to the upstream. So I'm gonna do that. I already have this cloned, so I'm gonna check out the main master and then pull the latest changes, but I need to check if they... Okay, now I can pull it upstream main master, and then if I pull it up here, monolith, they have the rendered thing here, and if I go back to that package which I copied the environment flag from, which one was it? Yeah. So they have, so this package has a, okay, this is a bit, this is a bit hard to navigate, but I wanted to show you that this package actually has a feature flag which is called rendered OpenSSL, and it simply enables this feature of OpenSSL. So what I'm going to do is add a features table here, and as a default I'm going to add like an empty one for now, but I'm gonna add this feature which is rendered OpenSSL, and it's just gonna go to OpenSSL sys crate. Actually, I'm not sure if this is correct. It should be OpenSSL instead, so it should be this one. And it's not gonna enable that feature as default, but I'm gonna enable it here. So now if I want to build build this project without vendering OpenSSL, I can just use the cargo build no default features flag, which is nice. I don't need to know the existence of OpenSSL no vendor environment variable. I can just use this flag, so that's pretty cool. And when I try to build it or check it, it will probably, yeah, as you can see here, it fetches the OpenSSL source, which happens because we want to render it. But if you do like no default features, it's gonna be probably less dependencies. I'm not actually very sure of that, but yeah, I should not fetch that. Let me just try this maybe. Yeah, it's the same. Okay. Yeah, it's not gonna render it most likely, so it's gonna be fine. So I'm just gonna contribute this to the upstream real quick. Add rendered OpenSSL feature. Okay, and for the commit message, I can probably just do something like support disabling rendered OpenSSL while building. Okay, I'm just gonna write a very brief PR explanation there, PR description there. So should be something like, hey, I'm the maintainer of the monolith package for Arch Linux Wave monoliths. I'm gonna give it a link actually. Monolith package. I saw that in the latest version, it is now possible to OpenSSL is being linked statically, which is something that I wanted to avoid for the package. I was able to do it by using, what was it, no vendor OpenSSL or something. What was the flag actually? OpenSSL no vendor. OpenSSL no vendor flag, but thought it would be better to add a feature flag for it so that I can do no default features next time. Cheers. Just submit the PR. Let's check it. Yeah. It looks good. Okay. Cool. Let's check the package list. We have more stuff here, but I'm just gonna move on to more Rust related stuff now. There are a couple of PRs that I want to take a look at. Firstly, we go to GitCliff, which is a project that I created and maintain. and go to pull requests. There is this one by Marco, and I will explain it very briefly what has been changed here. Okay, so this change is related to the internal library of Gitcliff. In case you don't know, so Gitcliff is a command line tool for generating changelog files based on some formats and based on your Git history, basically. And this PR or this issue is about the library usage of Gitcliff, which is you can do for Rust projects. And he basically says that there is a remote field for the commit. So if you go to some config file, for example, here, this template uses a remote, and in the remote you can access to different fields related to your like GitHub PRs or like commits and so on. And Marco is actually using this for his own project, release-plz, which is for automating the release process of Rust projects. There you go. So yeah, he wants to add a new field, like an extra field called commit.remote, because now if you want to access some GitHub related stuff from the template, you need to do something like commit.github and then I don't know, contributor or something, or like, you know, GitLab contributor or Gitty contributor. So it's like, it's all the same thing, but the problem is you basically have to change this template variable based on the Git platform or the Git hosting service that you are using, because Gitcliff supports different integrations such as, you know, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and so on. So yeah, in this documentation you can also see it very clearly that commit Bitbucket, right? If commit Bitbucket username is there, you just use that and so on. So he wanted to make this generic and have commit.remote username instead of, you know, using the name of the service, which makes quite sense, to be honest, because I don't know why I have like different data for different providers. I mean, it's all abstracted in the library anyways. So that's what he was suggesting there, and we talked about it, and he actually went ahead and created a PR. So in this PR, I already gave it a small review, and I wanted to actually use like a deprecation for this Rust fields on the structs, such as, you know, commit.github. If you use GitHub, I wanted to give you a warning message that you actually need to use commit.remote instead of it, because now, you know, after some point I will deprecate those fields and you won't need to use those very specific platform related fields anymore. So yeah, there was a small issue about that, and also I have a couple of other ideas there, but yeah, Marco seems to have incorporated those changes, so we can actually go ahead and take a look at the PR, and also I will pull it up on the screen as well so that we can try it out as well. Let me see the list of PRs. I'm gonna pull 822. Okay, now we have the code. Let's build the project. Okay, so this is from the examples. So he basically went ahead and updated the examples. You can see from here, GitHub is now remote, and also the other ones too. But I see that I actually forgot to tell him that we have other like fixture tests which needed some updates too. So I'm gonna search for commit GitHub. Okay, we need to update the documentation as well. Gonna be a bit of a work there, but it's fine. If I search in hidden files, for example, in this GitHub folder, I will probably see more of those. Yeah, you can see it from there. I use it in this test fixture. It's called test GitHub integration. So I also need to update this too. Also, I think I have GitLab one too. Actually, I'm just gonna go in there. Just gonna search for it and remote. Yeah, I'm just gonna replace it real quick. So commit GitLab becomes commit remote, and commit GitHub becomes commit. What's going on? Commit GitHub becomes commit remote as well. Do I have Bitbucket? Yep, commit remote. Do I have, what was the other service that nobody uses? What was the name? It was not Bitbucket. Oh, Gitty. Yeah, Gitty as well. Commit remote. Actually, Gitty is being used. Bitbucket is not super common, I guess. So yeah, now those are replaced. We can go ahead and see for ourselves. Okay, I'm just gonna push it. Show fixtures. Use. This is actually enough. Yeah, I think so. Use remote instead of platform name for template variables. Well, let's push it to the PR. Okay, now we should have it somewhere in there. Yep. Okay, what's the next thing that we need to check? Now this is good. These are all be fine. I'm gonna check the output of. I'm gonna check if the CI will pass actually, because that's important there. Okay. Why am I doing? I just wanted to check the Twitter on this tab, sorry. Because I got some notifications there. Okay, what's going on? Nothing very important, we can just move on. Okay. Okay, this is good. Viewed. Viewed. Okay, now on to the part where the actual deprecation happens. Tips and tricks. Yeah, this should be fine too, actually. Let me just do a quick search again. only had these usages in github.md, which explains the usage of the GitHub integration. Yeah, it should be fine. Just gonna view it for now. Let me see. Commit. Yeah, okay. So I wonder how did he deprecate these? Needs to go to the changelog.rs. We scroll up. There are some changes there. Okay. So first of all, the body template is changed to this function call get body template on line 55. What is this thing doing? And we simply just okay, I'm doing that. Okay, cool. Go there. It gets the body template and it warns on deprecated commit variables, and those are GitHub, Git, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Okay, so this is basically string checking. Okay, and then in there, use create remote contributor. Alright, so I'm just gonna close these ones. So we move the contributor module to contributor.rs, and in there it's simply the same thing as this one, I guess. Yeah. And we basically use that in the commit object. So if I go to the commit.rs, if I search for contributor, it's remove metadata of the commit. So these are all deprecated. In the deserialization of those things, we basically check serialize remote. Oh, what's that? Serialize remote. Serialize field if not default, and okay, what is this doing? I didn't actually get this part. What is this doing? It is taking the field, tries to serialize it, and okay, so it's like yeah, I'm just gonna ask a question here, I guess. Why do we need this method? Also, can you document it? Start a review. Yeah, the rest is just deprecation stuff. These are also. I'm just gonna comment on this because I want to update the whole website documentation. Just gonna go there and comment. Thanks for updating docs. Can you also update the usages of only thing that I don't really like about this change is that it's checking the strings, because we already have this function contains variable, which can be used to check if the template contains any variable. This is not, this is, so I'm just gonna comment this one as well. Are you a Rust dev? Yes, Mike. Okay, just one comment left there. Oh yeah, looks good. Just needs a bit of tweak, and tweak is there an emoji for tweak? I'm just gonna use gear. Comment. Okay, now we kind of completed the review on that project. So yeah, just moving on, I guess. I'm just gonna mark that as done. Hold on. Okay, done. Cool. Okay, on to the next PR. I have... Okay, can I check it from here actually? Pull requests. Okay, who is watching? Say hi in the chat. If you say hi in the chat right now, you can get this very nice sticker. Hell yeah. Just lurking. Black, well, how do I spell your name? I don't know. B14CK313. Hey, overmind. Hey. How's it going, guys? Okay, I wanted to work on this PR. Yeah, this is hella breaking. I don't know if you guys saw my tweet today. This is just from this PR. I tweeted out this thing where imagine waking up to this, you know, you wake up and there's a hella breaking PR. What would you do? Probably nothing, but yeah. So this PR is about this project. It's called Rio. It's a thermal emulator. But actually I can share the live stream link on Rio's Discord right now. Maybe some people will tune in, you never know. Hold on, where's Discord? Discord, come on, Discord. Okay, hold on, I'm just gonna share it on Discord. It's hard to navigate, god damn. 2 monitors. So many problems. I spell my name Black Eye, it's old, I don't like it anymore, but I don't want to change it ever. Black Eye, okay, gotcha. It sounds like a Minecraft nickname, to be honest. I would play Minecraft. Like, it's not a judgment. It's like a sign of like having some charisma and having some cool name, you know. It's not like I just make fun of you or anything. Don't get me wrong. It's like a cool nickname. I like it. Working on Rio. Okay, shared on Discord. Hello. Yeah, that's one too many monitors. It's just +1. Yeah, Minecraft is the best. Come on. Minecraft is the best thing happened ever. After nothing, it's just the best thing ever, man. Nothing can compare. What's GT GTNH. GTNH Minecraft. I don't actually know. GT New Horizons, what's that? Oh Jesus, what the hell? Wait, I'm gonna pull it up on the screen. This is becoming a Minecraft stream now. Minecraft GTNH. Minecraft. GT New Horizons. Bro, what is this? Jesus. Okay. There's a subreddit for it. Okay, this is interesting. This is really interesting. I'm actually gonna maybe try this out. A 10-year-old mod pack that's still actively developed to the day by a huge community of programmers. Okay, gotcha. Okay, yeah, I'll take a note of that. Very cool. Alright, so this PR is about this terminal emulator project called Rio. And Rio is just a pretty cool terminal emulator. Recently got image support, not released yet, but yeah, probably gonna release soon. I don't know. So what I did here was this thing. Let me actually pull the latest stuff. If you run it, I recommend setting up a dedicated server to run when you're on. Okay. Good to know. I usually like set up my own Minecraft server anyway, so. But when we play online, we usually like go for the basic vanilla option, like the fastest one available. But Minecraft infrastructure is like another topic that I like to discuss. Git pull base main. How do you highlight recently changed files on GitHub? Is it an extension or a user script? So what I use is actually just to show to you again. Yeah, you mean these things, I guess, like these colored stuff. I think this is coming from this extension. It's called Refine GitHub. If you go to settings, it has actually a lot of stuff, a lot of options there, but I think it's one of those options. So Refine GitHub. Yeah, this one. I'm just gonna paste it in chat. So yeah, it's one of the best ways of using GitHub. I mean, because you know the UI changes a lot. Sometimes they just roll out a half broken UI layout change sometimes, and you just have this weird stuff happening on GitHub. So Refine GitHub is like pretty good on that matter. It's just pretty consistent, pretty nice features. You can see stuff like this, you know, how old is the repo and so on. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. The stream is about 40 seconds behind, it seems. Yeah, there is actually there's actually a setting for that. I should reduce the delay a bit. Maybe on the next streams I will do like a lower value there. You can actually change that. I just use the default YouTube settings, but I will keep that in mind, and for the next streams I will change that. So yeah. Okay. So back to this PR. The current config of Rio looks something like this, basically. It's just a toml file, and there are some sections there and so on. And what I wanted to do is, before my PR, the cursor settings were basically like this, and after it's just under some section, something like that. And I like this more because I don't want like random ass options just laying around in the top of the file. Like, they should be grouped, and they should be just in their own section. So that's pretty much what I did with this PR. But now I see that there are some conflicts actually, which I need to like solve. So gonna go to Rio now, Rio repo, and then Rio. And I'm gonna check out my branch. Yeah, git checkout. And I'm just gonna merge main into it. Now it's time to resolve the conflicts. In releases, we have some stuff. Just gonna accept their changes. No, why is that not working? Okay, I'm just gonna add this at the end of the file. Okay, and style wise, I don't want to format this file because my formatting LSP is not working super well with this changelog format. Seems possible enough to read the old format as a fallback, at least on per. I cannot see it. Hold on. Per field basis, that's backwards compatible. Yeah. Yeah. The reason why I actually wanted to make this breaking is that the author of the project does not really stop. He's okay with breaking changes, so I'm like, yeah, let's just break stuff, and he seemed also okay with it, so I was like, yeah, let's just do it, right? So yeah, back to resolving conflicts. I really don't know what happened there, but I hope that's not something big. Where is it? Jesus, that's a huge file. Okay, I need to do something like next git conflict. Come on. Okay, terminal blinking cursor, and it's also like dropping it. Okay, so I'm gonna do accept both, but with this line. Go to the next conflict. Big fan, Orhan. I closely follow you on LinkedIn and love your work. I love building realize and huge things. Thanks you for that. Oh, thank you, Sora Mishra. I don't know if I spell your name correctly. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Your words really mean a lot to me. So yeah. Next conflict now. Okay, it should be just that. Okay, move on. Moving on to another. Okay, I changed the default configuration file of the terminal, which is being written on init. So it's not really easy to see what's going on there. So I'm just going to use GitHub. Oh, I cannot use GitHub's UI for it. Okay, I will try to read it now. Okay, we basically move the cursor section down there. So it should be just, you know, accept R changes. Accept R, no, C. Where's the key binding for it? Cannot seem to do that actually. Hold on. Defaults. My goddamn nail them. Come on. You can accept their changes. Come on. Accept R. Accept vote. Why the hell it's not working? For some reason it's not detecting that it's a merge conflict. Just showing the... Oh, okay, it worked. So yeah, let me just reset it to see. Okay, the cursor is moved down there, which is great. Okay, let me check. Yeah, it should be fine. Let me commit those changes. Merge conflicts are now resolved. There was one comment there. Let me actually push this too. It might be best to also change the style API to these options. Style block, caret, or underline. Yeah, let's just do that, and that should be it. I don't remember which file I was supposed to edit for that, so gonna check that from here. Yeah, cursor config, cursor config, and style should be cursor style, and default is this should be an enum, right? I need to create an enum for it. Is there an enum example? Enum. Because I remember that was one thing that I need to do for enums, which is add some aliases. Yeah, something like this. I need to create something like this basically. Go to config, cursor style. I'm gonna go here, cursor style. First one is block, caret, and underline. Block, caret, and underline. This will be underline, and block will be default, I guess. Block, caret, and underline. And these are basically just the deserialize. Default cursor is... What is default cursor? It's just returning a character. Okay, so... Into... cursor... Actually, it might be better to just add... cursor style. Add something like cursor style, and then as char, exactly, basically this turns the cursor character, cursor style as a character. I'm not sure if those are the correct characters, but and cursor style default. Okay, so caret is that, and block is that. Wait, underline? Okay, I'm not sure which characters I should use there. But this seems kind of fine. So something like this. Their available options are caret and underlined caret. I'm not sure if it's like pronounced as carrot, because carrot sounds like the vegetable carrot, or maybe it's carrot. I don't know. Let me actually find that out. I'm doing a side quest right now. Carrot? Yeah, it's carrot, right? Like carrot. Well, what's the difference between carrot and carrot? So many questions in my mind. So be something like that, and I'm gonna update the PR description as well. And for the defaults, that should be fine. There are some errors there, so I should look for default cursor function. No, what was it? Man, there will be a lot of test failures because of this. But it is what it is. Maybe instead of as char, I can just do an into here, which is better. And implement, I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but implement from cursor style or char. Right? And I'm gonna take the cursor style and just return the character, and it should work. Yep. So I'm just gonna remove this. We don't need as chart there. We can just use into, and now it compiles. But I believe there will be a lot of test failures because of this change. Let's just check. Taking some time. I need a faster PC. I can also test it out on my config. Okay, here we go. This assert EQs will just fail left and right. So I need to. Well, just one of them failed. It's in line 646. If I go here and just make it like into, it should be fine. Yep. Cursor. Oh, into is failing. This is not the character that I was expecting actually. Well, does that mean that we have the wrong defaults now? Oh no, wrong values. Okay, hold on. I need to. Probably I just need to. What's underline and what's caret? Underline. Type annotation is needed. What do you mean? It's just a character. Oh, can we do this? Nope. Well, I can just do this instead. Cursor style underline. Yeah. Well. It's the same thing, right? Well, it's fine, I mean. just tests. Let me just run it and test it out on the terminal. So yeah, it's a block. What's caret? Still a block actually. What's wrong with it? What's going on? Underline? It's still a block. It's not correct actually. Cursor style. Cursor style. I'm gonna change it to underline character. Wow, it's not invisible anymore. What happened? It's a block, but it's not a visible block. Okay, there's an issue with this. I don't know what's going on there. Okay, is there like an example caret character in here? Apart from that, we just add it. No, underline character. What is that? Cursor shape. Hold on, there's already a cursor shape. What? It's coming from the... Oh, there's already a cursor shape. Why did I... It's also supporting from char implementation. Bro, why did I add cursor style? I can just use this. Like, yeah, you know, I can just use this. Can I access it from here, I wonder? It's not... It's missing these implementations though. But it should be fine. EQ, partial EQ. No default declared. Okay, there you go. You'll have a default now. It's gonna be block, underline, or beam. Okay. Block, underline, or beam. Gonna remove this one. Gonna move the implementation here and cursor shape. Gonna do this, but gonna change their order so that it's the correct match. Not cursor style, it's gonna be cursor shape. Oh, gonna be fine. Cursor shape. Okay, the lesson here is that always search for similar data types on a foreign code base before you go ahead and implement it. Hidden is not covered. Well, if it's hidden, then it's gonna be anything that we use, so it's gonna be something like this, I believe. Or if it's hidden, maybe we should just... No, it's gonna be fine. Okay, now we have that. Cursor shape. Instead of style, we're gonna use shape. Shape. Yep. So style gonna be shape. And we're gonna change the occurrences from cursor style to config cursor style to config cursor shape. Gonna be cursor shape. What happened to the music? Cursor shape, okay, cursor shape default. We didn't import it. Let's import that. And also the documentation will change. God damn it, shape is block. Cursor shape is block. Other available options are, what were them? Underline, beam, or hidden. Underline, beam, or hidden. Okay, so now it should just work fine. Okay, underline cursor. Let's try it. Come on. Okay, it's not really working. I don't know what's going on. Or maybe we can try beam. No, do not blink it. Come on. Don't blink. Or maybe hidden. Not style. It's gonna be shape. Beam. Oops, not beam. What was it? Yeah, you're right. Should be beam. No? Oh, okay, it should be... it doesn't have the alias, so it's failing. How was the alias handling? I just need to do set the alias. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do block for this one. Set the alias underline. Set the alias beam. Now this is not perfect way of accepting case insensitive variants, but it just works. There are some other ways like using some crates like Serde Oaks, this one, Serde Oaks, and this has some functions to do that, but I just wanted to, you know, have something simple here, so we just use aliases. I mean, it's fine. Okay. Okay, beam is working. It's a small kind of cursor there. Cool. Underline. Underline is not working. Maybe it's related to my font actually. Let me disable the font here. No, it's not working. How about hidden? Hidden is also not working. Well, it's not fully my problem, I guess. I'll just let them know in the issue, because I'm not really changing anything in the handling of the cursor. I'm just doing some refactoring on the config side of things. So yeah, yeah. Where is that? Okay, cursor style. It should be shape, and cursor shape on the line. Cursor style. Results, cursor style. I should also change these to shape. Cursor shape. Okay, now it should be just good. If this compiles, I'm just gonna push my changes. So I need to update the PR description too. Okay, cursor shape. Okay, let's check. Now the style is block as default. We use the existing cursor shape. No, not, wait, not style. Could be. I'm always confusing these things. Changelog. Wait, changelog? Where is it? Oh, releases. What happened to changelog.md? It was changelog before. Okay, whatever. Not style, shape. Okay, now be good. Shape is block. Looks good. Refactor config. Use an enum type for cursor shape. Giving my password there, pushing those changes, and let's hope that the CI will pass. And it should be good. I did you one better. So that there is already a cursor shape enum, so we use it like so. Okay, cool. Yeah, should be fine. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for today from me. Um, so gonna just finish it off here, guys. Thanks for sticking around on this live stream. It's been a great experience just sharing my development with you. And let me know if you have any questions or want to say something. Yeah. Yes, for sure. Thank you guys. Thank you, Black Eye. Black Eye, right? No. What was it? Hold on. Yeah, Black Eye. Sorry. Thanks, Black Eye and Overmind DL1 for tuning in. And see you guys around. I will try to stream more often. So if you just follow me on YouTube, you will just see my streams. But yeah, take care, guys, and take it easy. Have a good day or night. And I don't know. I don't have a slogan. Stay rusty or something. Sounds cringe. Stay safe. Take care.